Hi everyone, welcome. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a compass. Your microbit has a built-in sensor that's called magnetometer, and you can measure the world magnet field, and that's going to also help you to make a compass. Now I can tell you how it works. As you see in this diagram, we see north, east, west and south, and every a letter actually shows the direction, and then you can also read them from the angle. Example, the 0 angle means 0 degrees means north, and then 90 means the east, 180 south, when it's 270 shows the west, and between you see that it goes 45 by 45. And between these one goes the northwest, northeast, southeast and southwest. And the numbers are written like this. Now let's quickly make our program. Firstly, I want it to work when I press the button A, and it's going to show the number because it has to show the angle, and then we will read it which direction is it going to be. And later on, I'm going to go to input, and then I will get the compass heading. So there is a already ready function is written here that's going to find the angle, and then we will see which direction do we go. Now I'm going to send the codes. Now when I press the button A, so he says tilt to fill screen. So we are going to actually calibrate our compass, okay? By tilting this around, we're gonna actually fill this all the screen. That will take time. In case you can't fill this, it's going to give another information, and we will just continue. After you fill all the screen, so we can press one more time and we see the smile face. So it says 220. So this time I show different direction and press one more time. And this time it shows 166. So I can show you one more time the diagram how it look like. Now I can show you the here is the diagram. Looking at this diagram, we can figure out in which direction do we go. Let's say if I go this way, it will give me 159. That's going to take us to this direction, southeast. If I go forward, it's 224. 224 is going to take us to southwest. To the right. (290) that's going to take us to around the northwest. Okay, so I can try to find the north. (244). So it's the 21. So when we go this direction, that's going to take us to the north, okay? Now quickly we can write also Python programming. So all we need to just firstly calibrate this. We have to give this command to the system, and then that's going to check for the calibration. After the calibration, we will check this always from the while true condition, okay? And it will go like this: if input the button pressed, oops, I did the logo is pressed, sorry, and is button is pressed, so that's going to show us number, right? The show number coming from the basic, and that goes from the compass. Compass is in the input, we will call from input compass heading. So that's it. And when you run these codes, that will also do everything from beginning. Okay, so you can also try this after you send the codes. I think it will also work. All the best for you. We see each other in another tutorial. Take care. Bye bye.